Well, today the U.S. Supreme Court issued its final opinions before their long summer break, including a decision that the federal courts have no role in policing partisan redistricting. ABC's Trevor Ault is in Washington with the latest.
In a highly anticipated decision, today the Supreme Court ruling on a pair of high-profile cases. In a 5-4 ruling, the Supreme Court deciding federal courts have no role in policing partisan redistricting. Chief Justice John Roberts writing the opinion saying there is no way to properly test and decide whether district lines have been drawn for partisan reasons, and that, quote, voters and elected officials should decide this political dispute, not the courts. Justice Kagan writing the dissent, saying in part, quote, the practices challenged in these cases imperil our system of government. The decision is in response to challenges against both parties, Republicans in North Carolina, Democrats in Maryland, both accused of redrawing political districts for partisan gain.
This is an issue that both Republicans and Democrats are guilty of.
Also today, the Supreme Court issuing a ruling over whether adding a question of citizenship to the census would be unconstitutional. The decision blocking the addition of the question for now, saying the Commerce Department's explanation for why this question was necessary was insufficient. The Trump administration has argued the citizenship question would help enforce the Voting Rights Act, but the census's own experts have said the question would make the count less accurate.
Putting this question on the census is going to cause 6.5 million people not to respond.
Today, the Supreme Court did not completely rule out adding the question in the future, sending the case back to the lower courts to give the Commerce Secretary an opportunity to further explain. This decision on the citizenship question kind of leaves the 2020 census hanging in the balance. The wording is now not yet finalized, but the forms are supposed to be finished by Monday. Trevor Ault, ABC News, Washington.